Welcome guys. In this video I'll be showing you guys the exact method I used in making my first sale on Clickbank this year, because I started affiliate marketing this year and I've started making money from it. So if you want to know how I did it, kindly hit that subscribe button if you are new here, if you are not subscribed to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I have a new video on this channel. So without wasting much of your time, let me go into the first traffic source I always use, and which is using YouTube review. As you can see, research is one of the best weight loss supplement on Clickbank. Its gravity is over 300 plus gravity. So as you can see, this channel posted a review video on YouTube, and past 3 months this video has had over 8,600 views. To see that they are actually real traffic on YouTube, and there are various channel posting. So it's not easy for you to rank on YouTube here. Just that you just have to use the title title, make your title look catching, create a thumbnail. Can create a thumbnail using canva.com. show you the site canva.com. You can create a thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. You can create on canva.com. It's very simple. And in the description you have to like shorten your link using bit.ly. Shorten your uplink, that's the affiliate link. When you shorten it, you put in description, you put like get in case of the product you are promoting. As in now, in this case I'm using research. You like get research now at discount price. You now put your shortened link already. So for you to rank on YouTube is not easy, but just make sure your title is part of the keyword they usually search, your thumbnail is catching, and in the tag section you just have to put keywords related to the search, like the search review, weight loss review, all those keys. Simple, very simple. And this is one of the best free traffic source, because there are many thousands of people coming over to YouTube to search for review of product, and people that come to search for this are people that know about the product already. So be rest assured that you are surely going to make sale if you get views on your videos. And this another method here again. You can come over to muncheye.com, and you see some of the big launches. That means some product are going to launch. This one now is on 21st. It's going to be available on Clickbank 26. So what we used to do now is people can read about this product and make a review about it. So you make a review down before it get launched. So there will not be competition on YouTube, because most people have not started searching on this keyword. So there will be less videos about this keyword. So if you can post your video now, your video will tend to rank when people start searching on it, and you're surely going to make sales from it. Get And remember, if you want to build a landing page, you have to come over to canva.com. It's very simple, it's free. You just click on sign up. Then you sign up with your Gmail, then you tap on create a design, then you create a YouTube thumbnail. You see it anywhere. You can copy the thumbnail as you wish. Some people created that, is your sole choice. And second one I love is using quora.com. Quora.com, as you know, is a question and answer platform, and there are tons of traffic on quora.com, because people tends to ask question on Quora, and once you reply, if you give an answer to the question and you give value, people tends to click on your link. But you note that Quora.com ban affiliate link, so you can come over to site.google.com to create a review page about the product you are promoting. Like this is an example of one I created about a vital flow supplement. Vital flow is a post-trade supplement on Clickbank. This is I built, like I posted what is the product about, how does it work, and I put some link to buy the product now. It's already embedded with my affiliate link. The features, I did the features. Is it approved by FDA? Is it a good product? Is it safe to use? The ingredients, is it produced in US? The prices, does it, if it doesn't work for you, and I added that there's a warranty on this product, and I added some conclusion. So when people reading this, people will have a full knowledge about the product, so they will tend to buy. So what you have to do on Quora here is depend on the niche you are promoting. If you are promoting anything in weight loss, you can come over to the search bar and type on weight loss, and you see some questions that people are asking, like how to lose weight, what's the best drug to use to lose weight. You see some question, you come over here, tap on question, and note, don't spam your link anyhow on Quora.com because they hate spamming. Sorry, weight loss. Okay, weight loss, search for it, question, and you see a lot of question. What are the best weight loss drugs? So you just reply, very easy reply. But the best is, if you want to reply, you have to give value. Like you can google some, drop some tips about how to lose weight. You can write like, losing weight is not an easy thing to do, is take a bit of time. Like, then these are the best 3 tips you can use to lose weight, reduce your be on diet, I mean eat less of fats and calories. Secondly, involve in exercise, and thirdly, sleep well. Then you can now put below it that these tips can help you lose weight, but will take a longer time. But if you are interested in losing weight quicker, check out this supplement I found online that actually helped me in losing weight. You can just look for something unique that tend people to click on your link, and once they click on your link, you're surely going to make sale. But disclaimer, know that this method, not that when you try it once you are surely going to make sale. No, you need to keep trying. Like for this YouTube review, it's not all your video that will rank, because I also have a review channel. Some of my videos used to have 500 views, 300, some have 50, some don't even rank at all. So it depends. It's just luck. If you can be uploading videos every two weeks of like of product that have high gravity, don't just and upload review on any product of high gravity and product that is new on Clickbank, because that's the best way of making sale on Clickbank now as a beginner. So that will be all for now, because it's the best two free site traffic source to make sale as a beginner on Clickbank. So in other video, I'll be showing you some other sites in which you can use, like media.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. There are many more, and after that I will show you guys the using paid ads like Google ads, Facebook ads, Bing ads. I'll show you tutorial of that. But please, if you gain something from this video, kindly hit that like button, smash it hard, and also comment something, comment anything you just want to say. Maybe if the video is bad, you can comment it down. If the video is good, comment it in this comment. And if you have any question, comment. I'll always reply and answer to everybody question. And if you want to contact me privately, I've dropped my Instagram link in the description of the video. Tap on it and message me. I reply immediately. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.